be dividing 3 and 4-digit numbers by a single-digit number using place value counters. So there's a 1, a 10, 100, and 1000. So I'll be showing you how to divide using those counters. Right, so our number is 96 and we're dividing by 3. So I need to put 90 in my tens column. So 10, count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So I've got 9 tenths, which is equal to 90. I need 6 ones. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 9 tenths and 6 ones. But we are dividing by 3. So I need to put this into groups of 3. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I've put that into groups of 3. How many groups did we make? Let's see. There's one group. 1, 2, 3. There's another group, my second group. 1, 2, 3. And I have 3 groups. So I'm going to put my 3 groups up above there. Let's put our ones also into groups of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So how many groups did we make in our ones column? We've got 1, 2 groups. So we put this number above the 6 ones. So now I know that 96 divided by 3 is equal to 3 groups of 10 and 2 groups of ones. So our answer is 32. Let's do this without the counters. So we have 3 as our single digit outside. How many times can 3 jump into 9? So let's count in threes. 3, 6, 9. It can go into 9 3 times. How many times can 3 jump into 6? So let's count in threes. 3, 6. It can go in twice. So we know that 96 divided by 3 is equal to 32. This time we have a 3-digit number divided by a single-digit number. And we are still using our place value coins. So let's start with the ones. We have 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. We have 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens, and we have 4 hundreds. Where's our hundreds? It's 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds. But we are dividing by 2. So we need to put our place value counters into groups of 2. So let's get started. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So how many groups did we manage to make? We managed to make 2 groups. So 2 can jump into 2 or make 2 groups into 4. So I'm going to put my 2 groups over there. We also need to divide our 8 tens into groups of 2. So let's put it in groups of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's see how many groups did we make. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. So let's put our 4 up there. Let's put the 4 up there. Right, now we have 6 ones. So let's put this into groups of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So how many groups did we make? 1, 2, 3 groups. Right, so 486 divided by 2 is 243. Let's try it on this side without the place value counters. This time we're going to count in 2s for each one. So 2 divided by, or jump into, 400. So how many groups of 2 can we make in 400? So let's count. 2, 4. We can make 2 groups. How many times can 2 jump into 8? Let's count in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 groups. Let's do the same with the 6. 2, can jump into 6, 2, 4, 6, 3 times. Let's see if our answer came to exactly the same. 243, and here we also have 243. So the place value counter shows you exactly what is really being done for each of these numbers. And if we do it, work from there and we work towards this, and you get the same answer. Right, let's try another one. So we have 585 divided by 5. So we need 5 hundreds. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 hundreds. We have 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. And now we have 5 ones. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. But we need to divide by 5. So let's put the 500s into a group of 5. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many groups of 5 did we manage to make? We made one whole group. So I can put 1 above the hundreds column. Let's do the same with the 8 tens. We need to put it into a group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We still have some left. 1, 2, 3. Oops! We cannot make another group of 5. Right, so let's take this away and put it below. So how many groups did we manage to make? We managed to make one whole group of 5. So let's put that above the tens column. But we had 3 left over. So this 3, we now move it to the next column, which is our ones column. What I now need to do is to swap this 10 for 10 ones. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue counting. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we made it. But there's another 10 there. So let's swap that, exchange it for another group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Oops, there's another 10. We need to exchange this for another 10 ones. Right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right, so we exchanged our 10, our 1 10 or our 3 10s for 3 times 10 1. So now we need to put it into a group of 5. So put it in groups of 5. So let's do that. You need to help me now. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. We still have more left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count. How many groups of 5 did we manage to make? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we made 7 groups of 5 for the ones column. Let's put it there. So we know that 585 divided by 5 is equal to 117. Let's try it again on this side without the place value coins. Right, how many times can 5 jump into 5? So let's see, can go in there once. Let's try it with the tens column. How many times can 5 jump into 8? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One group of 5. We have 3 left over, and we're going to put it in the ones column. So this new number now is 35. So let's count in 5s up till number 35. Count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. How many fingers am I holding up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fingers. So I'm going to put that above my ones column. So what is our answer? 117. And when we use the place value counters, we had exactly the same number, 117. So when you're dividing by your number outside and there's something left over, we take it over to the smaller column and continue calculating. I hope you understood that. We are now going to do a 4-digit number divided by a single digit. Right, now we're going to divide a 4-digit number by a single digit. So we're dividing 4,863 by 3. So let's put our place value counters. So we have 4,000. So count with me again. 1, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. So 4 1,000s equal to 4,000. We have 800. So count with me. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, and 800. In our tens column, we have 60. So 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or we can say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And in our ones column, we have 3 ones. 1, 2, and 3. Right, so now let's start dividing. We are dividing by 3. So we need to put our place value counters into groups of 3. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. We have 1 left over. We're going to take this 1, put it in the next column. So we had 1 group of 3. So that 1 I'm going to put above my thousands column. Right, but now we've got 1,000 in our hundreds column. So I need to exchange this 1,000 for 10 hundreds. So count with me. I need to make 1,000. So count with me. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. So now what do we have to do with that? Remember, we exchanged our 1,000 for 10 100s. Right, so now we need to group all our 100 place value counters into groups of 3. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you see all that? Right, so let's count how many groups did we make. We made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of hundreds. Right, so let's put the 6 there. And now we need to do our tens. Do the same with the tens. Put it into groups of 3. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So we made 2 whole groups of tens. So let's put the 2 above there. We do the same with the 1. Put it into a group of 3. And we have 1 whole group of 3. So our answer is 1,621. Let's do the same without our place value counters. Right, so we need to find out how many times can 3 jump into 4. Let's see. 3, 6. 6 is too big, so we go back to 4. But there's 1 left over, so we put the 1 here. But 3 jump into 4 only once. So we have a new number here, which is now 18, because we brought that 1,000 over to the hundreds column. So let's count in 3s and stop when we get to 18. Let's count on our fingers. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. How many fingers did we count? 6 fingers. So we put that up here. Now we need to find out how many times can 3 jump into 6. 6 tens. So let's count. 3, 6, twice. So we put number 2 up there. And now we have a 3 over here. Let's see how many times can 3 jump into 3. How many groups can we make? 3. We made one whole group. So our answer is 1,621. Exactly the same as when we use the place value counters. 1,621. So when you have something left over while you're counting, take it over to the next column like I did here. Exchange that 1,000 that I put here for 1,000. So you exchange it for the value of the column that you're working in. Okay, I hope you found this useful. And if you are struggling, just go back and listen to it again. Follow all the steps, and I'm sure you'll be a professional at the end of the next time you've listened to it. But I'm glad it will be a support and a help for you. If you don't have any place value counters, don't worry, you can make your own. So all I did is I take different colored papers. If you don't have different colored papers, use white and just color the paper in. So make as many as you need. I'm just going to make a few to show you. And you can make, and you don't throw it away because you can use it again and again. So choose which color you want. So we had the yellow with the 10s. So just put 10 on each yellow one. It doesn't matter which color you choose your favorite. So I'll make all my yellow for now in 10s. The green 100, so I'll just make that 100. And I'm going to make the blue for now, so I don't have red. I'll just make the blue for now, my ones. And then there you go. You make your own place value counters. Play with it, use it, keep it. Do not throw it away because you can use this over and over again. Hope that was helpful.